From keys to confidence. How Grammy-winning recording artist Alicia Keys' journey inspires others. Everything you want to be, listen to this, you already are. According to the Grammy-winning artist, you're simply on a path to discovering it. In her latest project, Alicia Keys is set to make waves on Broadway, New York Broadway, with her new musical show, Hell's Kitchen. This innovative production tells the story of a girl who steps out of her apartment and discovers the entire world right at her doorstep. Hi, I'm Kerry Ruff, life, business, and connection strategist with a story to tell. So from a trash man's son to an actor of over 100 commercials, I've felt the sting of loss, losing over $1 million in my real estate company and then going bankrupt. But I turned the page and went to being a communications professor and even penned a few children's books. I'm a small business owner and a video content creator, sharing the strategies that saved my life and helped me connect with my life's purpose. So in a world where capturing attention is key, Alicia Keys emerges as a beacon of inspiration, showing us how to harness the power of energy connections for success, for fulfillment. Like in the music industry, where vitality and vital stands out, first you have to master the art of energy connections effectively. The ability to capture audiences with your true voice and your authentic presence. Creating meaningful connections with your fans and building a loyal following transcends all borders. Second thing I choose for you to think about and do. But it's not about your talent. It's about leveraging physical communication to move your energy differently and using heartfelt messages that resonate deeply with your audience. Thanks to your mastery of technology and social media platforms, you can do that rapidly. And the third thing is the rapid resilience and growth patterns that I talk about. Your resilience in the face of professional challenges will be instrumental in your success, from overcoming obstacles to embracing new opportunities. You will demonstrate the importance of returning stronger than ever before. So how can a small business apply these principles to all ventures? It starts with hosting quick connection workshops to spark ideas, resilient boost sessions to bounce forward from setbacks, and growth tanks to innovate and grow. By adopting these types of connections and using the resilient mindset, businesses can fulfill potentials and achieve the success beyond their wildest dreams. So it's time to make waves in your industry. Are you ready? Thank you for watching the video. And if you found some practical tools and tips shared that are useful for enhancing your life and boosting your business, we invite you to grow with a community of like-minded individuals and business owners and entrepreneurs. We're at kerryruff.com. So make sure that when you're there on kerryruff.com, you claim your free Energy Connection complimentary gift. Thank you for your interest and trusting in my guidance. So we'll see you soon. See you on the site.